Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve 2019 TNPSC questions. The question number 1. The voltage source is represented as shown in figure. The equivalent current sources. Practical voltage source is always connected in series with the impedance. But practical current source is always connected in parallel with the impedance. Here voltage source is given. From the voltage source we are going to find out the current source. So from Ohm's law, P is equal to IR. So I is equal to V by R. V is 50 angle 30 and Z is equal to 1 plus J root 3. Here this is AC, so you have to consider impedance here instead of resistance. So now see, 1 plus J3 is in rectangular form. Convert this into polar form. So it is polar form R angle theta. How to find out R? Square root of 1 square plus root 3 square. That is equal to square root of 1 plus root 3 root 4, that is equal to 2. Then theta tan inverse B by A. Tan inverse root 3. So it is angle 60 degree. Now we get the polar form R angle theta equal to 2 angle 60 degree. So I is equal to 50 angle 30 and Z equal to 2 angle 60 degree. So what is the answer now? That is equal to 25 angle minus 30 degree. Angle minus 30. Now I am going to draw the practical current source. Current source in parallel with the resistance. We know the current source is 25 angle minus 30 and the impedance, there is no change, 1 plus J root 3. And next, the second problem, unit of reactive power. So unit of reactive power is volt ampere reactive. That is the unit of reactive power. Next, the voltage marked Vx is given by. See in the circuit, the voltage across the resistance is Vx. Here see here, the voltage across this 3 ohm is 3 volt. So the current flowing here is 1 ampere. In a resistance, current is always flowing from higher potential to lower potential because in a resistance we get voltage drop. Now consider this closed loop and apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Here I have to consider loop direction and current direction. See the loop direction and current direction. Loop direction is A to B and current direction also in the same direction, that is voltage drop. Loop direction not equal to the current direction, that is voltage rise. Okay, see, consider the loop ABCDA. Voltage rise is taken as positive, drop is taken as negative. So minus of 6 minus I into 2 minus 3 into 1 plus I into 1 equal to 0. So minus 12 plus 2I minus 3 plus I equal to 0. So minus 15 plus 3I equal to 0. I is equal to 5 ampere. Voltage Vx is the current flowing through 1 ohm resistor into the resistor. So current is 5 ampere, resistor is 1 ohm, so Vx equal to 5 volt. And next, problem number 4. The condition AD minus BC for the two-port network implies that the network is the reciprocal network of ABCD parameter. For example, if it is a symmetrical network, A is equal to D for the ABCD. A is equal to D for the symmetrical network. And next, the current through the inductor is given by, so first of all, have to write the voltage equation of the inductor. V is equal to L into di by dt. So V dt equal to L into di. Then take the integration on both sides. So here di, that is equal to 1 by L into integral V dt. So I is equal to 1 by L minus integral T0 to T V dt plus I of T naught. That's all. Thank you. Hi everyone.